is Fred Aberley, and I'm with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the Scout195 Sportfish. This boat comes with a Simrad 9-inch display navigation package, which is a GPS coupled to a transducer. It shows you where you are, how fast you're going, how deep the water is. It also has a magnetic compass, which comes standard for navigation. The boat is powered by a 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke motor. Aft, it also has a ski tow arch for the family that likes to do water sports. This arch is also a great way to get on and off the boat. It provides a lot of safety and stability when you're getting on and off the boat at a dock. Aft seating collapses so that you can have easy access for when the motor wants to come up out of the water if you have to check something back aft in the transom. Moving forward amidships over the helm area, the boat does have a T-top. Moving forward of the center console up into the bow area, there's great seating. There's plenty of room to come up here and relax. The boat also has a full high stainless steel rail, which keeps you in the boat when underway. There's a lot of safety features in the boat, additional grab handles. There's also a forward seating area just in front of the console, which is supported by a 67-quart cooler. It's a Yeti cooler, which is a great product on the market today. There are cup holders. There's also a premium Fusion stereo system in this boat. So there's a lot of fun factor in this boat. The Carolina Classic design is a real head turner, provides a great ride, provides a very dry ride, and it's a very secure feeling boat while underway. So come see us at MarineMax in Westbrook, 860-399-5581, 627 Boston Post Road. My name again is Fred Aberley. Thanks for watching.